hello, glamorous being. How are you today? So, my name is Irene Karpadaiki. I'm a psychologist, personal and professional development coach trainer. I'm the founder of the brand Peace, Health, and Joy because I want you to have greater peace, health, joy, to and grow and glow globally, sharing your light and being your greatest, highest being and living your purpose, and also helping the mission of creating globally more peace, holistic health, and joy through your coaching by being an online coach, because coaching is powerful. Why? You might wonder why everybody right now is going online in building their coaching business. Because actually, I'm an educator. I have been spending all my life listening, learning the traditional educational systems, researching the greatest traditional educational systems, but also the greatest innovative and creative and most inclusive, intercultural and alternative educational methodologies, leadership, management, and healing, and then psychology also. I have a master's in science, Masters of Science in Psychology and Counselling from the University of Derby in England. And also I have a bachelor's degree in education, teaching, and I have been working in management and leadership globally in many different industries and companies all over the globe with people from all over the globe. So I have seen what's working, and it's also a great moment right now to progress, because everything is progressing, okay? It's a great moment to go from the current outdated educational system that is actually not promoting the greatest, highest inclusive intercultural global skills that we need right now globally. And that's why I decided to go outside of traditional education, so that I am training people like you who is a great being and you want to be helping others too, and sharing your light globally to improve others and your well-being as well, of course, but also to help others improve their well-being and share great knowledge. And you're having a specific gift, okay? Since you were born, you are having a specific topic of expertise, a specific area of expertise, because you have been going through some challenges, okay, in your past, and you overcame them, and that gave you a great specific skill set. And together with your studies and every experiences you had, you are a great being and a great possible coach. So with the knowledge that I'm sharing with you through my Peace, Health, and Joy training, I have been gathering all the greatest leadership, management, psychology, neuropsychology, neurolinguistics, healing, coaching, training, teaching, presentation, all the skills you need to thrive as a coach, because coaching is combining many skills together. Intercultural communication skills, so that you are globally interacting with people from very diverse groups, and you are a great leader, enlightening people, uplifting people, so that you are sharing great knowledge and wisdom and skills and light. Enlightening means that you're sharing wisdom, because wisdom is taking you from the darkness, from an area of not knowing, being confused, sad, depressed, whatever that is, self-doubting, etc., to a great enlightenment for being who is confident, happy, gladful, graceful, gorgeous, and genuine, generous, giftsful, blessingsful, peaceful, healthy, joyful being. And that's where you are going also through my Peace, Health, and Joy training, and where you are taking your clients to, so that they are finding their light within and globally sharing it with all the people. And you can be sharing your knowledge with a specific category that you're feeling more comfortable in. For example, a specific language. You might speak English, or English as a second language, or French, Swahili, Arabic, Greek, Spanish, whatever is your origin and your native language. You can be helping a specific category, a group of people. You can be choosing to work just with couples, just with women, just with men, or both women and men. I'm working with both, with all genders actually, okay? There are many genders. I'm sharing with you also everything you need regarding LGBTQI plus community and everything regarding diversity, equity, inclusion, how to be creating global positive impact, okay? And sharing your knowledge with anyone, with every being, and being really positively influential, so that you are glamorous, meaning glamour means golden amour, meaning golden loving energy. And this is the most powerful, positively transformational energy. And I'm going to share it with you and showing you how to be sharing it with others as well. Because when you are loving you better, okay? So we are firstly working with your self-love, with your self-image, what you are thinking and feeling regarding you when you are alone, when you are seeing you, when you are listening you, your confidence and self-image, so that you are also loving others and helping others to love themselves. That's a great coach. That's a great positively influential coach, because you are accepting your diversity, because you are having a great diversity internally. You are having multiple colors. You are all the colors, okay? You're not just one color. You're having plenty of different aspects in your personality. As you were growing up, you absorbed many different information and knowledge and wisdom. So you are cleansing firstly your energy, so that you are sharing great positive energy with others through your work, and sharing your knowledge through your coaching. And I'm sharing all the strategies of how to be doing this in a very safe and protectful way, without harming you or others, okay? Because it's highly needed to be protecting you and protecting others from you, so that you are interacting positively. There is nothing negative in the change, okay? Because there is always an exchange. And through the greatest psychology and neuropsychology strategies, I'm going to show you how to be sharing your knowledge and interacting positively with others, okay? And growing your knowledge and sharing your light and wisdom and your positive energy, and having more inner peace, holistic health, and joy, so that you are creating peaceful, healthy, joyful environments, both at work and in your home, with others and within yourself. Having peaceful, healthy, joyful, great, satisfying, peaceful, and enlightenment, full, high appreciation, full respect relationships, glamorous relationships, genuine relationships that are actually uplifting you and satisfying you, pleasing you, and you are feeling safe within you. You're realizing that you are whole, you are a whole unity, okay? But you can be also with others and free in the same time. You can be in a great, loveful marriage, happy marriage, peaceful, healthy, joyful, pleasant marriage, and being independent and free also. That, these are past, these were past blockages, the thoughts that you should be one or another. No, you can be everything. Everything great. So through my Peace, Health and Joy training, you're going to learn how to create a great life in all areas. Personally, professionally, financially, socially, in your love life, in your sex life, in your romantic life. Every area of your life will be greater, so that you are feeling great and you are also successfully transferring your skills and your knowledge through coaching others, through teaching others, through enlightening others, uplifting others, and positively changing the world. So I'm looking forward to be meeting you. Contact me and I'll be sharing with you all you need to thrive as a globally enlightening, peaceful, healthy, joyful coach. Mwah.